So yes, do you see what I see? There is a King Rune KP3S. That's modified to have the power supply in the base. Dope printer that. For the price you pay, it's fucking awesome. A little tiny printer, direct drive, flexible materials. For example, like this Creality S1 Pro and the 3S1 Pro, flexible material. And what you get is wheels, tires, see? Tires. So instead of buying all these fucking tires for these RC cars, you can print them. And see, this one's a really hollow one, so it's going to be hopefully more grip. Who fucking knows? I'll show you.
Yes. No, Mum. That's what I'm saying. I'll call you right back. And I'll call her now, okay? Alright, love you.
Yeah, hang on 2 seconds. So, that's what you get. You sell your RC car wheels for $20 each. Fuck yeah, I'll print them. Anyway, so you can print them on that machine too. They're only $150. Cheap as fuck. Anyway, look what I've got here. This is a Creality K1 Speedy. So I just turned it on, but doesn't that just look beautiful? Oh, it's amazing. Wow. Anyway, I reckon it looks pretty sweet. So, door handle must go there. Did they give us a door handle? They did not give us a fucking door handle. Or have I just not noticed it? Hang on a sec, honey. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, I bet your fucking balls. It'll be on that. So ready? We'll go through next. Coming. Remove 3 screws A. And look, see, I'm drawing it up. Tires. I'm just adding some tread to it. See if it gets a bit of tread. Anyway, I'll go through all this and I'll get it printing. I bet you can print that door handle. Because at the moment, the only way to open it is to get your fingernails like a woman. I'll have to get my missus to come open it for me. Anyway. I can't wait to... I just can't fucking wait to play with this. I'm just like gonna cry, you know, it's that fucking cool. So sick. Anywho, see ya.